Si LA din. LA, busang basa eh.
Picture muna, picture. Gandahan ng ngiti, yung kumikot-ikot tap.
Maila. Marang.
Los Pangaro, number 13, Jay Arsenal. Number 17, George Cabeles. Number 18, Rodel Sangeno. And number 28, Joey Orina. Team winners, number 2, Carl Ericano. Number 10, Efe Ariola. Number 13, Edgar Giason. Number 20, Edgardo Salarda. And last but not the least, 31, George Corey. To number 28, still agad by number 2. Ang ganda-ganda ng bata, 5. Yes, good. By number 20. Ganadong, ang ganda talaga ng takbo. Number 18, pass to number 13, Sandro. Sandro, pass to 3. And number 2. Number 2 is Rindy. Number 2, harap by number 13. Number 2. Number 2. Still, recover by number 20 to number 2. 5, it's not good. Recover to number 13. 5, is good by number 13. Kiwaso. Number 13. Number 13, Sandro to number 13. Number 13 to number 3. Number 3 to number 18. Number 18. It's not good. It's not rebound. To number 20 to number 2. Number 2, tingin na dito. But still by number 3. It's still again by number 1. It's still again by number 21. Number 21, pass to number 10. To number 20. Attempt for 3 points. To number 10. To number 13. 4 seconds. Nakitlog. 3 seconds. Violation by number 31. Number 3, number 17 Mars is not good. It's from Rivas, number 18, number 1. And number 20, first personal foul, first foul. First free throw nilagay is good. Jadi nakita agad yung taas. Number 2, Haras by number 3. Number 2, Lahore, ang ganda ng bata to number 13, Carl. It's not good. Rebound to number 18. To number 3. To number 2. Number 2, ang ganda naman ng pasa is 2 points by number 20. Ang laki naman naman. How to be you? Number 13. Number 13 is Rindy.
Jose, kumiti ka!
Ang ganda naman ng pasa.